Hey friends, if you wish to change Google Chrome sizes tabs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Go to Chrome forward slash flags and hit enter. Now type the word tabs. You'll find tabs scrolling and many other options here. So for tab scrolling, you can click on the default one. I mean, you can click on this drop down arrow and you can select other options under enabled, like enabled shrink with medium width or shrink with large width. And when you do that, all you need to do is relaunch your system and now you will notice the difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.